Narati amesema, unajua kuna serikali mbili. Kuna national government na kuna county government. Na zote ziko katika katiba. Na katiba imedescribe zote mbili kama serikali. Government. National government and county government. So Gusii government, serikali ya county ya Gusii, ni serikali ya ODM. Until such a time when another government will be elected. And that is in the election of 2027, and we will make sure as ODM we retain the government of Gusii under ODM. We will make sure as we have done it. As you are aware, since devolution came into place in 2013, the county government of Gusii has been ODM. So we are coming here on Friday to celebrate with our government of ODM that's existing in Gusii County. Serikali yetu ya ODM ambaye iko katika county ya Gusii ndio tunakuja kusherekea miaka 20 ya uongozi bora wa chama cha ODM ikiongozwa na Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. Na kwa mwisho nachukua nafasi hii kuwakaribisha wote. Na it's a national celebration and also it's a regional celebration. Delegations will come from all the 6 counties of Nyanza, Siaya, Kisumu, Nyamira, Gusii, Homa Bay, and Migori County. This is where the celebration is going to take place for the region of Nyanza. And then national officials also will join us to do the celebration in Gusii. So finally, I want to thank His Excellency the Governor and my Deputy Party Leader for graciously accepting to host us and to allow us, under his government of ODM, the celebrations of the 20th anniversary of our beloved party, the ODM party.